Okay, so hello everybody. This is
Hey.
Thursday. Happy Thirsty Thursday, everybody. So we're here with a bunch of educators from here in Asia, and we're going to be mainly share what our experiences are. We're going to share what we know, and we're going to share some of the things that we think are really cool and innovative, and the things that we do at school, and the things that we also share in our community, which is really awesome because we've got like people here from different schools as well. One is from Brunei, and then one from three from Bangkok, and then yeah, we're going to be sharing mainly things that we are passionate about. So we're going to go ahead and introduce ourselves first. Let me ask Wesley to introduce himself.
Hi, my name's Wesley Probilski. I work here in Bangkok at the Thai Chinese International School, and I'm happy to be here and do some sharing. And
let's go with Ralph.
Oh, your mic is muted. I can unmute it.
Hello, this is Ralph. I am speaking out of Bangkok, working at Wat Nai Rong School, teaching 7th form, fundamentals in English, and Thirsty Thursday is our sharing platform for cool tools. Happy to be here.
Now it's time for our friend here, Julian. Can you?
Hey guys, good to see you. Julian here from Brunei. I'm working Jeradon International.
Bangkok, working at Wat Nai Rong School, teaching 7th form, fundamentals in English, and Thirsty Thursday is our sharing platform for cool tools. Happy to be here.
Hearing Ralph over me. Not guilty, I'm sure.
Now it's time for our friend here, Julian. Can you?
Hey guys, good to see you. Julian here from Brunei. I'm working Jeradon International.
Bangkok, working at Wat Nai Rong School, teaching 7th form, fundamentals in English, and Thursday is our...
Julian, I think you need to... do you have a YouTube on? Are you also like watching, or...
I think you were watching it on air while we were putting it on.
Yeah. That's all right, Julian.
Okay, you start over again, Julian. No worries.
Okay. You can start over again.
Cheers. Hi. Hi from Brunei. This is my first one, as you probably just guessed right there. Really good to see you. Assistant Head of Digital Learning here in Brunei at Jeradon International School, and really, really excited to be sharing some stuff with you guys. Good to see you.
Cool. Okay, so let me introduce myself as well. My name is Davis, and I'm I work at the same school with Ralph. It's called Matayom Wat Nai Rong, and it's a school wherein it's adapting Google Apps for education, and hopefully we'll also be able to adapt other technologies and be able to share it to other teachers as well. So we're going to be starting off with Wesley here, who's going to talk about some cool stuff that he's going to be sharing with us.
Okay, here we go. I want to start off. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to talk about... You guys can see my screen?
Yes, fine.
Okay. I'm going to talk about this cool thing that I did at my school that mixed teacher PD and some student learning as well. We called it the Technology Learning Camp. And really what it was about was taking a group of teachers away from the students, and we taught the students in bulk so that the teachers could have some opportunity to do their own learning. And really what it was all about was the idea that you can learn anything. And we wanted the teachers to realize that they can learn anything and they can differentiate their own learning. So let's get into it. We took the teachers and we put them away from the students. And then we took the students and we taught them in bulk with just 4 teachers. So that freed up 30 teachers to be able to do their own learning. And when the teachers got together, they got to really take the time to learn the tools that they never have the time for. It comes back to like genius hour projects, because some teachers want to build a site. They want to use Flubaroo. They want to use Google Forms, but they don't have the time to really figure it all out. So what we did is we gave them the time to figure it out. And I got to tell you, it's some of the most best PD that we've given our teachers at TCIS, because they really got to learn about what they wanted to learn. And at the end of it, this was the results of the teachers. Most of them said, on a scale of 1 to 10, that this was very useful. And as far as in-school PD, you don't usually get this type of results. So by giving the teachers an opportunity to say, okay, we're going to get you guys in groups, and you can learn anything you want to. It gave the teachers some empowerment to say, I'm going to own my learning, and I'm going to do what I want to do because I think that this is best for my class. And also, some teachers, they want to just, get up on Google Forms, and some people want to do some more intensive stuff and get in on blogging and start setting up their PLNs for their students or for themselves. So it's pretty neat. And at the same time, we had the students together, and we put them in a big room with just a few teachers and taught them about digital citizenship and different things that they could do. The big thing that we did roll out to the students as well was about a genius project that they could do. We said, you can learn anything, but what do you want to learn? What are you going to create? What are you going to develop and share? And we gave them this type of format. We said, we want you to learn something, and then if you're going to learn something, we want you to create it. Then we want you to share it out, and then you should reflect on that. Decide, do you want to keep on learning that? Maybe you want to learn something new and develop it, create something more, or create something else. Share it out again and reflect. It's a process in life that we can all go through, but it was really neat to offer that to our own students to say, hey, we want to give you the opportunity to say, you should learn anything. And we want to give you that formula for you to be able to learn it well, to be able to create something that's going to be beneficial for you guys, and also be able to share it out with the rest of the world. And being able to do this and having students and teachers learning at the same time was really awesome. Okay, thank you. All right, I'm going to
Great project.
Yeah, just wanted to like what Wesley is doing right now is like making learning really personal, and that's what people really love, because it's not somebody else is directing them, to do what they sometimes don't want to do, and it's them who's deciding what they want to do, and which is really awesome because they can decide now what they want to do, what they want to study, what they like to pursue on.
Thanks,
Okay.
David. And the results have been great. So cool. All right.
Okay, so let's go with Ralph now.
Commercial slot. Chromebooks are awesome, and you need one. Wes. Okay. Can you see my screen? Hello?
I can see it.
Okay, great. So, wait, let me quickly start my timer because I'm proud to take more time than I should. Even that is supposed to be a very short one. So, maybe you have thought about my idea before, and it is concerning Google Sites, and it's really great that you can put it out very quickly. but design-wise, you have to put some effort to make it really look nice. As you see here, it is one lesson I had with students at ECC, and I just put videos in. It looks okay, but I didn't put any design into it. I just wanted to have it as a form. And one of the things I always missed from Google Sites was that you could make a centered navigation. So I want to quickly show you the 3 switches to do a centered web page. And now I'll try to engage my on-watchers by shouting out. The first who shouts out a theme, we select this theme. Please help me here.
Go for microlight.
Micro light. There you go. I hate that. I am not a machine. Therefore, I am slow. And here we go. We come up with a site. I won't fill it with anything. I will just show you the 3 switches you need to know to get a centered navigation. So please, site, come up. Very good. We have home, and I hope I'll find everything as I want. So we have a few elements which I want to introduce. Yeah, first is the header. Yeah, that is the part of the page, and that is navigation on the site navigation. And what we do first is we go to edit site layout. Yeah, we reach that over the sprocket menu here. More action, edit site layout. Then we come to this interface where we have these 4 big buttons here where we can enable the horizontal navigation and switch off the header or the sidebar, which we want off in my case. And then we are only left with, before I go out of this menu, I click on the header, and there we have the alignment of the header. We have 2 sections, vertical and horizontal. I leave the vertical standard and choose for horizontal center. And sometimes it needs a bit, and that is done for this section here. I hope I don't forget anything. No. Yes, that's it. Okay, close. And then we have another thing, which is considering this page. And therefore, we go for page settings, and we don't show the page title. I have not found any way of centering the page title. And as the horizontal navigation is really good, informative, it folds out. I don't need the title necessarily. So now the last thing, we have to go to change this home menu button in the center. We go to, and to switch off this search here, we go to manage site. That is one beneath layout. And I have 2 seconds left. Oh my God, I will be late. But I have to finish this. If you let me, please. There we go to layout in the lower section, themes, colors, and fonts. Sorry, not layout. Themes, colors, and fonts in manage sites. And there we have horizontal navigation, a point. And at the horizontal navigation, we have layout. Under this menu point, we have alignment. That is really difficult to find, I think. So that is why I decided to share this with you. To find this button, it is in Manage Site, Themes, Colors, and Fonts, Horizontal Navigation, Layout, Alignment. There you go for center, then you go Save. Oh, I'm so sorry to take you. Tough takes a bit. Once that is saved, I just go back to General. I want to switch off the search. Sorry. Please interrupt me if you want to need to finish. Okay, but I just go to search here, and switch off the search, and that's it. Configure search, enable, switch off the search, save, and go to your new designed centered web page. Everything is centered. If you look at it as a user, you won't see these top buttons. And there you go. You have a centered web page. Thank you very much for your attention. I apologize for taking a little bit longer. Slam! Thursday.
Okay, so now we're going to go with Julian. Thank you very much, Ralph, for your centered layout web page.
Hi guys, good to see you again. Awesome, Ralph. I've been struggling with that for ages, so that's really, really good. Thanks. Right, 3 minutes. Start. Okay, I'm going to show you something called Aurasma. You may have heard of it before. Apologies if you have, but I absolutely love this thing. It's awesome. Okay, it's augmented reality. So what it does, if I quickly show you, apologies, I'm now going to try and show you a screen of a screen, which is going to work perfectly, I'm sure. Photos, real life, it all works. We found best it works with photos. And then you open up your app, first of all, called Aurasma. Point your iPad screen, like so, at something. So behind here, point at a piece of paper that you have linked already, and it will turn it into a pretty cool video or whatever you link to it. Okay, hopefully that's working for you guys. Doesn't have to be quite so stupid as that. What we've started doing, we've done treasure hunts around school where kids are running around with their iPads trying to point them at different bits of the school, and it's kind of throwing up videos and questions, linking them to the next place around school. Kids have made posters like this here. One of the kids made a poster on constructions topics in maths and geometry, and then stick it up around school, and what you find is, as they go around school and they're with their iPads, they've got a little kind of symbol next to it.
So we're going to perpendicular
and then it kind of overlays the video
that
they've made explaining the topic.
Circle a little bit more than halfway. You're going to do the same thing with point B. And then you're...
Other things we've done with it, exam papers or any worksheets that you could have, like so. Okay, you don't have to have the faces on there, you can link it to the actual questions. But give this as a homework. Kids are getting stuck on a topic, I don't see them again for 2 weeks' time. So if they're getting stuck, all they have to do is point their iPad at the question, like so, hopefully. It's all going to work. My hands are in the way. Work. It's going to pick up the page. There you go. Okay, and then it pulls up the explanation for that question for the example. Okay, right. Got 30 seconds left. I finished early. Thank you very much. Hope that was a little bit useful.
That's just awesome. I hope
that is awesome.
Augmented reality. What's the name of the?
I'm gonna paste the link in the description.
I'll paste the link in the description. It's Aurasma, A-U-R-A-S-M-A. And if you want to make stuff, go to Aurasma Studio. That's the best place to do it, I think, rather than make it on an actual app.
Cool, cool. Okay, so now it's my turn. We just share my screen. Okay, can everybody see my screen?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, so
it's
what? Okay, so what I'm going to introduce to you guys is how I actually made this particular clip. Let me time myself first before I go on ahead. Okay. Okay, so I made this video this morning, and I made it like in just a few minutes. And what's really struck me is that how easy it was to actually upload it and edit it on YouTube. So for people who actually don't know, YouTube has like a YouTube editor which allows you to do some basic edits on your video. So let me just. So what I did first was I obviously uploaded like 15 videos, videos that are only 1 second long or 2 second long, and then I uploaded them on YouTube. But I chose, when I uploaded them, I chose them as unlisted, or you can also choose private if you want to. I uploaded them as a batch, so I like selected 15 of them and then just dropped them here, and then it automatically detected all the 15 videos, short videos, and it uploaded them on YouTube. It uploaded them on my account. So when you log on to YouTube, when you've gone into your account, you will actually see. Let me show you. You will see your like your face here, and then you will see like your account, sign out, and there's a button there that says Creator Studio. If you click that, it will actually bring you to this particular part. And then when you're in here, in this tab here that says Create, you scroll down, you click that, and you will see Video Editor. When you click Video Editor, you will get something that looks like this. You can name your video, and you can also attach the videos that you have just uploaded, because they will all be visible. They will all be accessible, and then you can also attach pictures if you want to. You can attach. You can put in a sound and audio to it. You can add transitions, and then you can also add some text. But what I just did is I just added like all the videos that I have, and then I added a photo at the end. And what's cool about this is that you can trim the videos like that, and then because this is online, it's automatically saved. So when you're done with all the videos, you can also do some quick fix, add some panning, or add some zooming, add some filters if you want to, add some text if you want to. You can edit the text that you want, and then when you're done, you click Create Video, and it will actually make one video about it, one video about it, and then it can also automatically post it, like if you want to like publicly make it available. So let me just show you quickly what I just uploaded. Sorry for.
Take your time, please. It's very interesting.
So this is the video. It's Thursday. It's just 17 seconds long. So even with the a few like basic stuff, basic editing, YouTube editing, you can actually make something that's as simple as this, or as complicated if you want to. Slam.
That's an awesome feature. Editing videos online is super cool.
Thirsty Thursday teaches everybody.
Yeah.
Very well done. Who's Oliver?
Yeah, I was hoping to see a face behind the name. There he is. Hey, Oliver, would you like to say something? Would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, Oliver, this is a hangout on air live. We are presenting cool stuff for the classroom or any other teaching scenario. Thank you for joining in, and I think we'll invite you for next time to present if you have something, and continue.
Okay.
Cool.
Thank you for that, Ralph. So, on the things that have been presented today.
Cool stuff to try, Julian. Haven't had a clue about that. David's YouTube videos always awesome. I have to practice more, as you know.
Yeah, I need to get to grips with our YouTube. That looks really, really cool. Trying that out later.
I gotta go, guys. I'm up for it next week if nobody else wants to do it, and log off, so to say. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you as well. So, Wes, do you have anything to say?
No, it was a great week, and it was a great sharing tonight, and I think that was good. I look forward to the next time around.
Yeah, me too. So we're just going to wrap this up, guys. Thank you so much for joining with us. Thank you for taking your time to look at what we can offer or what we were able to share to you. So we'll just see you next week. Hopefully, Ralph will be leading that one, and we are log off. We will log off now. Thank you, everybody, for your participation. Bye-bye.
Right.